let's come back here to dashboard. So let's come to post and click on add new post. So what I will do is that I will quickly go to the website we are following and quickly go to the blog post to copy the blog post. So I'm going to open all these posts in a new tab just to save time. I'll open this one also in a new tab and also open the third in the new tab also. So I'm just using it to save time, okay? So I'm gonna do a kind of a copy and paste. So I'll just copy all here and go back to the WordPress that we are making and paste it here. Good. So let me copy the title also. Business is the key, right? So scroll up and paste it here. Great. So once this is done, don't forget click on publish. Okay, before we click on publish, let's quickly go and add our feature image. So I would like to choose any image from this library here. Let me choose this. I'm just using just as an example, so make sure you create your own image for every blog post. I will click on publish now and go back to copy the next post here. See the same thing. It's the same thing. So just an example. Copy and go back to the WordPress that I'm making and click on add new post again. I know you I'm very sure that by now you should be able to know how to create posts because I've teach you that in the previous website I made. So I'm gonna copy the title also, be creative. And paste it to the title and quickly set the feature image. I can use any image that I want also. Yes, I would like to use this and quickly click on publish. So let me go and copy the third post. Let me copy the title first. Add new. Paste and go and copy the content. And paste. So let me choose the feature image. Let me choose any image. Let me choose this one and publish. So before we view the blog page again, we will need to customize our sidebar first. So to do that, over to appearance and click on widgets. So So once that is done, once that load, as you can see in the right side bar here, so you can find a recent post, recent comment, search. But what we do is that we are going to need this search, okay? But this recent post also we are going to need it. I think I've I've teach you how to do all this in the previous website I will make. So now I will just delete this recent comment. I don't need that. I'll just delete it. So when that is done, I will add two widget now that I will add two widget now to implement our Facebook like post and the Twitter feed. So the first widget I will need now is the test widget. Make sure the right side bar is checked. Click on add, and also let's locate the easy Facebook like boss. Here it is, easy Facebook like boss. Make sure that the right side bar is checked and click on add also. So let's move up to check them all. So let's quickly work on this test boss first. So let's add our Twitter. So go to your Twitter account. So once you're in your Twitter account, just come down and click on this arrow pointing down. I've taught you this already, right? So just click on embed tweet. So it's gonna open another new tab. So and it's gonna show a kind of as you can see, this is my post. So for me to this is just a single post, but I don't need this. I need my real account to show. So I don't just need a single post, no. So what I will do is that I will go back here and click on my profile. If I click on my profile, okay, I'm on my profile already, so it will just show this. Let me copy this link and go back here and paste it here. Ctrl V. So now when that is done, I'm gonna click on this right arrow. So it's gonna give me two options here. I'm gonna go for the embed timeline. So when that is done, then I would like to change my settings here first before copying the link. I would like to use 500 and the weight 500 or so. So once this is done, I will click on update here and copy the link. So once I copy the embedded code, so I will go back to my web site and make sure whenever you want to paste HTML code or something, make sure you come to the test tab. I've shown this already, okay? So paste it and save. Once that is saved, click on done to collapse the widgets. Now here remain our easy Facebook like, right? So you can use the word like us for the title. So we are going to get our Facebook URL now to implement our page. So the page I'm going to use is FRW Paradise. Okay, I'm not going to use this FRW Paradise page. I'm going to choose another page. Okay, so I will go back to my home. So once I reach here, as you can see your pages, so I'm not going to use FRW Paradise. I will just click here to choose another page. So I'm going to use ABG platform. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this. and click on the ABJ platform. So this is the link I need. Copy, go back to the WordPress website and just delete this one and paste it there. So when that is done, I would like to change this width to 500 and the height also to 500. So I'm gonna move down to choose this responsive and this show faces. If you like, you can play around and check others here, but I will go for this too. Once that is done, click on save. When it's saved, click on done to collapse. So now let's arrange them to the normal position we want. So search will be first, while the Facebook if we follow, and the test, which is our Twitter feed, we follow, and this recent post will be last. So once that is done, you can just refresh here. Okay, we can just visit our website directly. Let's visit console. Okay, let's click on save. Make sure you always save, please. So once this is done, now let's visit our website. Great, this is our website. So let's visit our blog page. Click on blog page. Great, you can see all the blog posts we've created, right? So these are the blog page we created. So this is the default hello world. I think we are going to delete this one now. So go back up. So here is the Facebook page that we incorporated. So here is our Twitter feed, and here is our recent post. As you can see, power of work, the creative business, and the hello we are going to delete now. So let's go back to our dashboard to delete that. Let's go to post and all post. So let's locate the hello world post. Here it is. Just trash it. So as you can see in the trash now section, we have one. So if you want to delete permanently, you can just click on the trash tab and delete it permanently there. So great. Now from we've started this method, starting from the step 1 2 3 4, then step 5 6. We've set up our blog, right? We set up our heading and setting customization. With the step 8, we set up our menu and sidebar, right? Oh my god. So now the content changing and formatting in pages, we've done that. I've teach you how to how to change the contents of all those pages, how to make some changes, right? So that is done. Now remain the call to action linking.